If you're studying but not revising, you're actually forgetting. Hi everyone, I'm Srishti. I appeared for CA Foundation and cleared it my very first attempt with a score of 273. If you're appearing for CA Foundation September 26 and wondering whether 50 days are enough, my answer would be yes. I prepared it in around 2 months, and if I can do it, you absolutely can. The key is not studying 15 hours a day. It's studying smart, staying consistent, and revising regularly. So here are the tips that genuinely helped me. First would be finish all your lectures within the first 25 days. If you are starting now, your goal should be to finish your lectures by the end of the month of July and leave the entire month of July only for revision, mock tests, RTPs, MTPs and all that. One mistake a lot of students make is spending all their time watching lectures. Lectures should take only 40% of your study time, while the remaining should be dedicated to solving PYQs, question papers, writing practice, very important. Because at the end of the day, lectures do not help you clear the exam, your revision does. Next would be building conceptual clarity. The biggest confidence booster before exam is not completing 100% of your syllabus. It's having strong conceptual clarity in the 80% of the syllabus. Whatever you study today should be revised the very same day. And every Sunday, revise the entire thing that you have studied throughout the week. Those repeated revisions are what actually make the concept stick. It's much better to have complete clarity on the 80% of the syllabus than to have half-baked knowledge of the 100%. ICAI module is your best friend. For every subject, especially law and economics, the ICAI module is more than enough. A major portion of the exam comes directly from the module. Instead of collecting 5 different books, master just one. For business law especially, don't just watch lectures. Read the module again and again because it helps you understand the language in which the law is written. And that's exactly how the questions are framed in the exam. Go through the module at least twice or 3 times. Until you revise it multiple times, simply completing lectures won't be helpful. For quant, as I had math in school, I did not spend a lot of time in theory. I directly started solving question papers. I practiced a lot of MTPs, RTPs, module questions especially, and a lot of PYQs. And that really helped me. I scored 85. If math is not your strongest subject, do not panic. If you're short on time, it's completely okay to leave difficult chapters like calculus and focus on scoring areas instead. But whichever chapters you choose, solve as many questions as possible because practice is everything in quants. Also, one thing that genuinely helped me during my preparation was a set of handwritten formula notes that I made for myself. Before every mock, I didn't revise the entire book. I simply revised these formula notes, and it barely took me about an hour to revise formulas of all the chapters. It made revision super quick and saved me so much time. I've converted these notes into a free PDF and I've linked it in the description below. If you're preparing for September attempt, definitely download it and make the most of it. I really hope it helps you as much as it did to me. Now let's talk about accountancy because this subject can genuinely make or break your overall score. From the very beginning of my preparation, I focused heavily on question practice. After completing every chapter, I used to give chapter-wise tests and check them properly so I could identify exactly where I was making mistakes and which concepts need more revision. If there's one thing I would say about accounts, it's practice, practice, and more practice. CA Foundation Accountancy is very different from class 12th. The questions are much trickier, not as straightforward. You need to read every question very carefully. Even a word or a single line completely changes the answer. In my opinion, the module is more than enough. A major portion of it comes from the module directly. Practicing from the module also helps you get familiar with the language and pattern of the ICA questions. Once you understand how accountancy terms are used and how questions are framed, you'll automatically start making fewer mistakes in the exam. So do not treat accountancy the way you studied it in class 12. Approach it like a completely new subject. Focus on understanding the concepts and solve as many questions as possibly can. Now coming to business economics, honestly I gave business economics around 15 to 20 days because I did not have enough time. Instead of spending hours reading theory, I focused mainly on MCQ practice. Module questions, YouTube practice sessions especially, those sessions were really helpful. That strategy worked really well for me and I ended up scoring 75. But since you still have around 50 days, do not make the same mistakes as I did. Proper time to every subject, especially accountancy and law, would really help. These two subjects can make the biggest difference. One more thing I'd like to recommend is understanding the ABC analysis. Start with A category, then move to B and finally C. If you have around 50 days in hand, do not skip chapters unnecessarily. Try to complete the entire syllabus and then revise it multiple times. And finally, remember this: if you're studying but not revising, you're actually forgetting. Revision is where the real preparation happens. Stay away from unnecessary scrolling. Follow your study plan consistently. Revise every single day. Solve as many questions as you can and trust in the process. Around 50 days are quite enough to clear CA Foundation only if you use them wisely. I prepared it in around 2 months, and if I can, I genuinely believe you can too. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what other CA related videos you'd like to see next. Also, do not forget to download the free PDF from the description. It will make your revision much quicker. All the very best for your September attempt. Believe in yourself, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.